Hey guys, I just wanted to show you another really useful tool that you can use when you first get your computer out of the box or when you're done another fresh install of Windows, whatever the case might be. So as you know, a lot of computers often come with a lot of bloatware, a lot of useless programs that you don't really need, a lot of stuff that just bogs it down. So what we're going to do is actually head over to Google and we're going to look for PC decrapifier. That's the one. And PCdecrapifier.com. I'll put the link in the description box below. But once you head over here, you can head over to the download section. Click download now. And it shouldn't take very long. It's a pretty small program. But what this will allow you to do is get rid of a lot of the initial bloatware on your computer so you don't have to worry about that in the future. So this is what it's going to look like when you have it opened up. And you're going to click next. Click next again, click next. This is where you're going to want to click yes if this is a new computer or a fresh install of Windows that you haven't already done anything to. So we're going to go ahead and click yes and then click next. You can go ahead and create a restore point here if you want in case anything does go wrong, but I don't suspect anything will. So click next. Okay, so this is basically the screen that you're going to be looking at, and it's going to tell you basically what's installed on the computer, and you're going to go through it, and anything that you don't feel that you actually need, this is where you're going to want to click the checkbox, and you're going to want to click remove it. There's another screen prior to this, but it didn't actually come up with anything for this particular machine. But it'll basically be the same thing. It'll tell you a list of things that are installed on the computer, and if you notice that any of them aren't particularly useful or you don't think that you're going to be using them, then you can go ahead and check those and click next here. Once you get to this screen, this is again anything that you don't feel like you're going to need. So I mean, I'll just give you an example. Let's just click WinRAR for example, because we already have 7-zip installed. Go ahead and click next and click OK. Yes. And so that's pretty much it. It's just going to tell you that you're going to need to reboot Windows after you press OK. It's going to tell you it's been successfully removed. You can submit any feedback that you have here if you have any. I'm not going to. Click finish. And simple as that. Those programs have been removed now. So you can go ahead and use that. I really recommend using that on sort of like the first time that you really get into Windows here, on any fresh install, on any fresh machine. And it's going to help you out a lot. Sorry about that. So I think that this program is particularly useful in those situations, but you can use it really for anything to get rid of any bloatware that you have on your computer that you don't think you want or you don't think you need. I would advise, if you don't know what something is, don't touch it. That is the only piece of advice that I really need to nail home. Other than that, I hope this video was helpful, and if you guys have anything that you'd like to see in the future, feel free to leave me a comment, send me a message, anything like that, and I'll try and get to it as soon as possible. In the meantime, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.